vehicles, aircrafts, even cruise ships. There's one manufacturing process that you will find in almost every production line: CNC machining. Want to know how CNC enables the entire manufacturing industry with high precision? Let's find it out. Hi, I'm Henry. From this video, we are going to walk you through the world of CNC with our new series of episodes called Craving CNC. Computerized numerical control, aka CNC, is a manufacturing process that is optimized by a computer program named G-code. A CNC machine will move automatically in the order of computer commands and move unneeded materials from workpieces. That is also why it is one of the subtractive manufacturing processes. In general, CNC machines are divided into 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis according to the complexity of the movement. In short, there are 4 major steps in CNC: creating a CAD model, turning the model into G-code, uploading the code file to a CNC machine, and having the CNC machine operated according to the code. CNC contains milling and turning. They're all controlled by G-code throughout the whole process, which enables us to save much manpower on machine operation. This gives CNC a more competitive processing cost and price advantage for batch production. As a subtractive manufacturing process, CNC machining works completely different from those additive manufacturing, such as 3D printing, and formative manufacturing, such as injection molding. It is because CNC machining removes the unneeded materials from workpieces to achieve the purpose of manufacturing, while additive manufacturing adds the materials layer by layer. When it comes to machinable CNC materials, you will find the right answer covers a wide range. Our common materials used for CNC include aluminum alloy, copper, ABS, nylon, POM, and etc. But pretty much any materials with a certain hardness can be processed by CNC. One of the reasons why CNC is so popular is the ability to achieve very tight tolerance and fulfilling almost all of the manufacturing demands. It is one of the most precise manufacturing technologies. Normally, the tolerance is around plus or minus 0.125 mm, while it can be down to 0.05 mm if special processing is needed. Imagine the precision of processing can reach 1/4 of our hair. How amazing it is. Alright, that's all for the intro videos of Craving CNC in VNext. In the next videos, we'll go deeper and discover more about CNC machining, including different types of CNC machines and manufacturability tips of CNC. Subscribe if you like it, and comment down below if you have any suggestion. See you and stay tuned.